Good morning, everybody. It's 6:15 a.m. and the bunnies are out. I'm going to Hartshorne Woods Park with the Enduros and maybe Diego. I don't know if he's coming. And it's gonna rain today and it's gonna get wet, so yeah, better watch out. Put your raincoats, boys, if you want to do that, and make sure you don't slip in the mud. I just stopped at Wawa for breakfast and now it's time to go. Sun is coming out. Let's go ride the trails, boys. Oh my god, man, this is so beautiful. Only 4 of us. Daniel is pumping the wheel. What the dog doing?
What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
This is an gnarly section, crazy roots. Oh yeah, the beach to the left, Hurricane Ian leftovers coming out here. Oh, oh, tree down. Got a steep climb coming up ahead. It's very steep and it requires a lot of power. Now, if you could pedal with ease and not stress it out, you'll make it further. Just take it easy, balance, don't freak out, like control your breathing and you'll get further. Maybe you'll make it. I'm going for it.
I'm going first.
Yeah, you go first.
Yeah.
Cute bunnies, we're running, baby bunnies. Cute bunnies, we're baby bunnies. Cute bunnies, we're bunnies. Cute bunnies, we're running, baby bunnies.
Oh! Ah! I was gonna make it. Kutte buni. Whoa, whoa! I got scared a little bit on the route because I went up to it a little bit crooked, but thank God I didn't get bodied. Oh, kurva mać! Crazy, sketchy conditions. Hiker! Good morning. Yo! That was sick!
I almost ate it.
Yo, nice! Good save. Whoa, I freaking slipped. That's crazy. This is going uphill, guys. If you're watching this, we're going fast uphill. I'm gonna bump this one going uphill. I need this workout. Good job. Nice. Let's go, Alfonso, you got it.
Oh.
Just breathe, breathe.
tienes, Alfonso, ya la tienes. Vamos, Andrés, vamos.
Nice. The bike is really dirty. I got a V8 juice here to compensate for the sodium that you lose when you drink a lot of water. Let's see how I feel. I never tried this before. The bike needs a little vegetable juice. It's gonna run by the vegetable car.
160?
No, this is 140.
140?
Yeah, and it's a thinner extension too. It's 35mm. Following Alfonso here. Yo! Yes, bud! We're making it, boys. Guys, if you see here, that is the gear, number 4. Let me see if I can clear it like that with slippery conditions. I need a little more speed. I need to go. I couldn't do it that slowly. I needed my power. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hard left coming up after this DH. Bunny. Good shot, squirrel. Oh, the wrong line. Oh, I almost slipped. Yo, that was sick. Yes, bud. Oh my god. One more. It makes you feel better. I'm not a sugar guy, but it's not a big deal when you do this kind of stuff. We just finished the ride. It was good. The rain is really strong. Yo, my man, good effort today.
Thank you, Alan.
Very nice job. Yo, thank you. Yo, Daniel, great stuff today, man.
Thank you.
Good bar, good energy
care.
management. Alfonso, good ride, man.
Good stuff, dude.
I gotta get some food now. I snacked twice, and now I'll get the real meal. Look at this beauty, yo. It's freaking beautiful. It's freaking gorgeous, man. Okay, peeps, I'm here at Wawa. It's time to eat. Bike is looking really good.